Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. The Unruly boss gets chief status in Ghana. During his recent visit to the country, Popcaan was conferred with the sub-chief for the title Nana.
We don't do this for the fun of it. We do this because we believe in you that you can lead us. So Nana Akukese, now you have a big responsibility to lead the youths, not only in the Central region, but in the whole of Ghana as a chief. There are no, as Asante Hinu would say, there are no small seats for a stool. You make it bigger or smaller. So now you are a chief, duly recognized by your people. So it's up to you to make it smaller or bigger. Congratulations, Nana.
In a post on social media, the dancehall entertainer expressed gratitude, saying, "Nana is grateful. Love and respect to my people. Together we push." Now in the region, Michelle Montano creates history at Trinidad Carnival. The soca singer earned his 12th Road March title at the recent staging of Trinidad and Tobago Carnival with his track Encore, making him the undisputed king of the road.
In third place, we have Ian Alvarez, Bungie Garlin, song Roadman, played 97 times. In second place of the Tuku National Road March for 2026 is Aaron St. Louis, voice, Car Behave, played 127 times. And ladies and gentlemen, our road march for 2026 in the National Tuku Road March competition is Marshall Montano, Encore, played 171 times.
In a post on Instagram, an overjoyed Michelle expressed gratitude, saying that it was an absolute honor and joy to celebrate this win. He went on to say that he's beyond words, and the feeling is only comparable to his first win back in 1997. He concluded by saying that he is grateful to be a part of this historic breaking of a 50-year record and hopes it will be an inspiration to all, especially to the upcoming young men and women in the industry. Now, Aldwin Lord Kitchener-Roberts held the previous record for 50 years.
They say you're only as good as the last performance. Road long, but we have endurance. Stamina make me last for weeks. Though it turn the mass to a masterpiece. Last year was good, but we chasing paper.
Now, on the international scene, U.S. President Donald Trump declares his love for Nicki Minaj during his speech at the White House while speaking at a Black History Month event.
How about Nicki Minaj? Do we love Nicki Minaj? Right? I love Nicki Minaj. She was here a couple of weeks ago. She's so beautiful. Her skin's so beautiful. I said, Nicki is so beautiful.
Minaj met with the president for the first time at the Trumpacaan Summit in Washington, D.C. in January, where she stood alongside Donald and labeled herself the president's #1 fan. That's it for ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.